How about now? There we go. We got sound now. All right, guys. Well, my name's Jim. I'm a crypto trader and a forex trader. I've already said all this, but there was no sound. I think you got it now. I had it muted by mistake in my thing. So hopefully that's better. Thanks for letting me know about the no sound, guys, and hopefully we got video as well. Good to go. I said hey to everybody individually. I'm not going to do it again. So hello, everyone. Good to see you. We are here and ready to rock. So, all right. Sorry about that, guys. Thanks for letting me know about the no sound issue. So, all right, guys. Let's look at the market. We had a bit of a dump here. Let's do a very quick look at the small time frame. See what's going on here. I'll give you my quick idea very quickly, and then we'll go from there. Okay. All right. Well, let's see. First off, the 4 hour. 4 hour has come screaming down. And has broken the old structure. So we're currently in a downtrend. That doesn't mean price only goes down. Price goes down, up, down like that. It will pull back. It will continue down depending. But right now we are in a downtrend on the 4 hour chart. We have been since, when did we dump off the top? When did we dump off the top? That was Friday. Since Friday, it's been in a downtrend. Yeah, it's been correcting over the weekend, but looking down, guys. Looking down. But how far down? I'll show you what I'm seeing. And, we'll see. We're in a bull market, guys. I mean, not a bull market. We're in a bull run. A bullish maneuver of the price. It's going up, guys. But it will have downward maneuvers as stop hunts. I've been calling for stop hunts for the last couple of weeks now. Looking for a liquidity hunt. This is the beginning of a good one, a potential one. We'll look at where price could go. We'll look at the small time frame here in just a moment. But yeah, the first target zone you really expect to see here is about 29K, guys. So you're looking at about 29K to find some support on this wave if we break this current level, okay, which more than likely we are going to break this level. Now, we just broke out of this key little zone here. Chances are we're going to retest that breakout, okay? So chances are we retest this breakout right there and then work our way down later on as time goes on. That's what I'm thinking for now, guys. That's what I'm thinking mainly now. And we'll look for support around here. Probably get another bounce there. If it wants to roll over and come down again, we could start making our way down in 5 waves, something like this, looking for ultimate support. Could come down in 3 waves as well, but looking for ultimate support. If this area breaks, we're looking for ultimate support about 25.5. Okay. That's the liquidity hunt I've been looking for the past, I don't know how long now, 2 weeks, 2 to 3 weeks now. It's been just taking its time right in this area, playing for a couple of weeks, pop up to the next level. But it's looking pretty cooked. Again, looking for probably a retest of the breakout of this last 4 hour candle. We got 2.5 hours left. We got actually a little bit more than 2.5 hours on this candle, so on this 4 hour candle. But we got a 4 hour engulfer, guys, and that's pretty strong and powerful. We will get a retest within this 4 hours, more than likely. And then look for some more down. I would guess. That's my guess. Okay, that's the way I'm thinking about it. Yeah, right now off the top, this looks 3 wave-ish. Yeah, it looks 3 wave-ish, but guys, don't be fooled. This thing is going to keep rocking to the downside. First target, I'd watch 29K. Second target zone, if it breaks back into this liquidity action, right? Price breaks back into this liquidity zone right there. We're looking to come on down to 25.5. That'd be in the next area to pay attention to right there. Okay, and those are the 2 targets. We'll watch and see how price goes down. Now, is it going to head down immediately and happen all tonight and tomorrow? No, it's not going to happen in one day. More than likely, it could. Now, it could dump and happen in 1 day or 2 days. It could be very volatile to the downside. It could do that. I'm not here to say whether it is or isn't, but more than likely, it's going to play out over a period of several days into a week even. But usually when it comes down, if it's going to come down to these levels, it's going to do it quickly, relatively quickly, in a matter of 3 to 5 days. We should see it. If it's a liquidity grab, if it's a trending move down, if it's trending, then it might take a little longer. So liquidity grabs here, guys, are usually quick and powerful. They will go in waves, It'll make you think it's reversing, and then find some support around here. It might even stop hunt one more time and then go to the upside. Now, what would this be if something like that happened on the chart? What would the wave structure be? Well, I've got a couple of ideas here, but let's say that this was a 5-wave move and it ended right here. Let's just say that. Let's just say, hey, maybe that's a 5-wave move and ended right there. What do we got here? We got 3 waves to the downside. We actually have a 3-wave move back to the upside, looking for a 5-wave move down. Okay. Again, we could simply stop right here. We could stop here, and that's all we get, and on we go, guys. Okay. So that's idea number one. Okay. Let me get a small time frame. There we go. I just wanted a small time frame chart. See what's happening on the small time frame. This looks very corrective. Looks like a flat. This looks like a flat, guys. So probably going to go down and make another low. More than likely, if that's a flat, that would call for another low here. Come on. Eventually. There we go. We'll keep an eye on the small time frame as we talk about the larger time frame. So yeah, what that could be is a running correction. Okay, so we could have 5 waves. Let me show you the way I'm seeing it here. 1, 2 right there. We're gonna call this wave 3. We'll call that wave 4. My wife is really. Did you really just crawl past? You can walk by. You're pretty enough to be on TV. People actually might even watch my channel if you show up. Okay, so 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 right there is 5 waves. It's finished. Looking for a 3-wave correction. We might just get a running flat of some kind, and then it's going to look like, hey, here we go, and we're going to go rocking again. So that's a real possibility, guys. But wait for this thing to play out and finish finding support right here at the top of the waves. If we break back into the zone right in here, it might play around for a bit and then pop down here to this level. Okay, this level should provide us with some ultimate support, and that may be a larger expanded flat instead of a running flat, and then we go. Okay, but again, down is the trajectory as of right now. That's the way I'm thinking about the market. All right, that's the way I'm thinking about the market. Any questions on that? Let me just take a peek at what you guys are saying. All right. Yeah, hidden bull is pretty powerful on this, but it doesn't look done on the 4 hour. This doesn't look finished down here, so I would imagine we have more to go. But definitely, this is looking hidden bullish for sure. What's up, y'all? I'm sorry, I'm not spending any time talking to you guys. I'm just trying to get the information out quick as I can because the market's kind of moving, and I thought I'd just kind of help you out a little bit best I can. Look at the wave structure and like that. So that's the way I'm looking at the wave structure for now. Okay, so I'm very bullish, guys. Let's zoom out. We'll look at what I'm expecting here. Let's see. There we go. Look at what I'm expecting here on the higher time frame. Okay. I know I got a bunch drawn in there. Let's remove drawings here. Okay. All right. So right here we're playing around. Price is playing around in this structure zone here. Okay. Price is heading higher, guys. Price is heading higher. The way price generally heads higher, okay, it will break out of one level. Okay. Generally, we'll come back and retest that level and then continue on. We haven't really retested the 25.5, okay? So I'm wondering if we're going to come down and hit that. That's a question I have. Are we going to come down? It seems awful low. The way this wave is looking right now, it seems awful low that this is to come this deep. So I'm wondering, and guys, it's Sunday night. So this is a setup move for tomorrow and then tonight. So guys, this move that you just got is setting up for something to play out, right? Now, what is it? What's it setting up for? I don't know exactly. I'm going to share some ideas, but I don't have knowledge about what's definitely going to happen. But nevertheless, wave structure says, man, man, we haven't retested this zone right here, this breakout from right here. One could argue that this was a breakout, that was the retest, and here we go. I'm not a big fan of that. It didn't seem like we've actually retested this with any kind of reality. So, but anyway, I guess that could be a retest. That's an argument one could make. But we haven't retested this breakout. Looks like we're heading on to do it, and then going to look for more upside potentially. So that's a real potential here. Now, if we start breaking back into the structure here, look for a pullback and then maybe a continuation down to the next level. Okay, so that's kind of the way we're looking at it. Then we would look for price to start working its way back on up. Okay, very similar, I guess, in price action to this right here, this move right here, where we never really, right here, we broke out of it. We came back and retested it, and then we worked our way on up. Okay? Yeah, my cat is very vocal, guys. We got a new cat, and it's very vocal. Sorry. Can't stand it. I don't like it. I don't like her. She's growing on me a little bit, but right now, I'm not a big fan of cats. Anyway. She's in heat, so she's real vocal right now. She's only like 7 months. So, okay. Chill burger. Well, the market does always come back, for sure. But it's not chill burger. It's chill. I like cats that are friendly. This is a Bengal Tabby mix. All right. It's a Bengal Tabby. That's what it is. Just looking at something here, guys. Sorry. Okay. Let's zoom out. Look where I think price is heading here, guys. What I believe is happening here is I think we're heading out. I think we're heading up, and I think we're heading up to 50K roughly. Okay, I am a moon boy right now, but not one of those moon boys that takes us up past 100K. Not one of those guys. I don't believe we're going to 100K. I don't even believe we're going to 70K, guys. I think we're going to stop around 55K or 50K in that range. Anywhere from 43 to 55K is my target zone. So that's what I'm watching for. I'm looking at this as a really extended A, B, C. I've been calling this for months now. Since November, been calling this wave structure here and looking for 5 waves to the upside. Looking for 5 waves. We got a 1, we got a 2. We're in the middle of wave 3, and this is the big one, okay? Wave 4. So we get a stop hunt here tonight. Retesting structure. That'd be great. So we get a stop hunt tonight maybe, and then retest structure down here, and then we work our way on up for more. So that's what I see happening is the highest likelihood. Coming down to 25.5, don't think it's a high likelihood anymore. Not digging that count much anymore. I think we're kind of past that. Ship has sailed. Once we made this high right here, I think that ship sailed. I would have liked to have come down here and then come up. But I think the 25.5 ship is no longer in service, guys. I don't think it's any longer in service. Let me take a peek here at what's going on. Dun, 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 dun. Okay. Okay, so I'm bearish for tonight. Bullish after that. Bullish tonight, tomorrow. We'll see how long it takes to go down. We'll see how far it goes down, and then I'm ready to I'm ready for bullish moves. So higher time frames, daily chart, looking for upward moves, guys. I'm looking for a move to get all the way up here, and I'm looking for pretty long move, guys. That's just gonna go. It's just gonna keep rocking. It's gonna scare everybody. It's gonna be like, whoa, what's going on in the world? Okay, let me pull up a couple of the charts here because my computer rebooted. I lost all my charts, guys. Don't you hate when that happens? Okay. There we go. Okay. Guys, looking at the DXY here. I'm looking at this is a 5-wave move. Come on. 1, 2, okay, 3, 4, and 5. Okay, looking at this as a 5-wave move, right there. Want to see that come on down here. I know we're pumping right now, but I think it's temporary pump, and I think this is going to come on down. So we'll see how high this comes, how high this pumps. But guys, I am, like I said, I am bearish for this correction, and then I'm very, very bullish in the markets. Very, very bullish on the market. So I do see maybe a bit of a move up here on the 12-hour, kind of rolling up to the upside. Get some kind of a corrective wave. Maybe this is a flat right here. Maybe that's a flat, and then boom. Okay. So maybe 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I don't know if that's 5 or not, but looking for this wave to continue to the downside at some way. This may come up a little higher, come on down. Projecting what that's going to look like, nearly impossible. But still seeing a little bit more upside tonight and tomorrow. Looking for downside after that on DXY. So guys, I'm bearish on DXY, bullish on the markets. Let me show you S&P just to get you an idea of what I'm seeing overall in the S&P and the S1. Here's my S&P count right there. Okay, again, don't have any problem for a temporary correction. Maybe this is a flat right here, temporary correction, and then on we go again to finish this move as a 3-wave move, guys. In my opinion, this is one of your last chances to get out of the market right here when the S&P gets up here, somewhere retesting the highs. Once the S&P retests the highs up there, I think that's your last chance to get out, I believe. I don't think we're going to go up and make new highs. I mean, could we make new highs? Yeah, I suppose we could. But I don't think so. I think this is a 3-wave move. I've had this on my chart for a bit ever since this has been developed. So this is looking good for a C wave. I don't know how high this is going to go. Could be in like a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. My mouse got away from me there. There we go. Something like that. Okay, and that becomes an A, B, and a C right there. Okay. So that's the way I'm looking at that, guys. S&P, and what that is this is zooming out just a little bit there. This becomes your try that again. That becomes your A wave right here, and this is your B wave. Looking for C after that. Okay, check on small time frame here on Bitcoin. Dun, 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 dun. Okay. Excellent. Okay, next. What are you guys saying? You guys understand in there? Let's see. What are you guys saying here? Could it be 5-wave move from 21st of November? No, I think that's a wave 1. Yeah, this is, I think, making something much larger. This is making something much larger, guys. I would really like to see another hit to the low here. Small time frame looks very 3-wave-ish there. 3 broke the bottom. Looks like 5 there. I'd look for another hit to the low here. See if we get it. See if we get a little move here and then back up. So I would think small time frame. If I had to guess, and this is dangerous guessing small time frame wave structure, but if I had to guess small time frame wave structure, if I had to guess, possible to know anything. See if we get another low here. We take this low out, bounce back up, retesting that. That's tonight's price action, and then maybe tomorrow we start dumping again, and we come down to. I drew that too big. Come back and we find some kind of support here tomorrow or the next day. Timing is always a hard thing too. Identifying timing, it's always challenging. Okay, but something like that, and that could be 3 waves. This was right here. This was 5 right there. That was a 5-wave move. This ended something, guys. That ended something. Okay. We got divergence here. This was 5 waves to finish something. So I kind of think it was finishing, a 3. And then a 5, 3, and a 5 right there. We had 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Looks good to be about finished there. And then okay. Watch a small time frame here to see what price is doing here. Da, da, da. All right, let's look at Ethereum, see what Ethereum's doing here. All right, Ethereum is also bearish as well. This wave structure looks like a flat, and this is not a finished move. Doesn't look finished to the downside. Okay, so we got boom. Okay. Looking for C. Come on down here. Okay. Where's the breakout on Ethereum? The top of the wave breakout was right here. So definitely see us retesting that. Definitely see that retest. We could possibly, if it wants to get deep, we could come back and retest this guy. I don't know if we're going to get back in there or not. We'll have to see. But I'm thinking this is going to find some support up here somewhere. It could wick back down here, but it might find some support here. And then we're looking long again for the next move to the upside. Ethereum is broken out, guys. So we're looking very bullish, very bullish. But we needed this correction tonight, especially in the middle of a move to the upside. Just a shenanigans wave. Nothing's going to go straight up forever, guys. You got to understand that. So I was actually looking for this to come on up here. I was hoping this was going to give us a nice 3-wave shape here. It still could. Watch out for this flat here, guys. So here's a shenanigan wave for you right there. You can get a flat, comes back up into there, takes out liquidity, and then comes down for a deeper wave down here. So watch out for that flat right there. That's a flat correction that could play out. So that'll be 3 waves right in there. So I was really looking for this to come up here. I thought it was going to until it started dumping. So anyway. Okay, so Ethereum, it's looking good for upside here, guys. 6-hour chart, though, we are kind of overextended, so it does need to come down. Here's a nice trend line to watch here on the 6-hour chart. As price RSI comes down, RSI can come down, find support on this RSI momentum, and then go back up for another wave. So looking for higher moves coming, I believe. Now, we could get a deeper correction. Guys, again, we could get a deeper correction. I just feel like it's less likely that we get a deeper correction based on the price action that we see. But again, I'll show you what I'm seeing on XRP. XRP is looking dumpy. So it just depends on how you look at it. But I'm looking at XRP and I'm like, okay, is this dumpy here? Is this coming down here? And then we go up? That's a real possibility, guys. That's a real possibility. So XRP could dump down to here. So looking at XRP, I'm like, looks super corrected, but it's been faking me out lately. That might be all the correction we got. It retested the breakout right here. So we had a breakout right there. We retested it, and now we could just roll ourselves up to the upside. So I imagine this could just keep rocking to the upside. It might have a little bit more to go down here, retesting this low. Shoot, it might just come on down here like that, finish a 3-wave move, and then go on up again. So again, XRP is looking bullish in general. The wave structure looks bullish. I got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I got a 3-wave pullback, and now we're trucking. Okay, so maybe we get this little bit of a move right there. Okay, find some support right in here somewhere, and then we go. So I'm bullish, guys, but I'm looking at a roller coaster as I shared in the. So I'm looking at this kind of click, meow, so we're looking to head up, guys. We are, but right now we might just head down just to ride right back up right afterwards. So that's the way I'm looking at the market, guys. I really am. I'm bullish, but I'm looking for this correction to finish if it's not done already. Oh, come on. Do not deny me. The higher this wave goes up, guys, the less likely I am to believe it's going to hit that low for that last move. Again, I don't know what's going to happen here. It could, but I believe that this is 3 waves right there, looking for another hit to the low once this is finished. That looks like a wave 4 on the small time frame. And looks like we're getting a wave 5 now if I were to count it. One, 2 down here somewhere in the wick. 3, 4. Let's get a 5. Nice ABC. A, B, C. A little extended. Could come up here to the 2618. And then roll over and go down. That looks like a nice 3-way in wave 5. That might be might be close to being finished. Let's see. Otherwise, we're going to go up for that flat that I mentioned. What was that little stop hunt right there? All right, I've looked at ETH, I've looked at XRP, still looking, sharing my ideas there. Looking more down, but eventually going up. Let's look at XLM, see what XLM's doing in light of Bitcoin here. Yeah, the higher this comes up, guys, the less likely I like it, for down. But certainly we can come down, make another low. Right now this looks 3 wave-ish, but I'd like it to turn into 5 here. So 3, 4, 5 maybe. Give me a 5th wave. That'd be nice. Give me a 5th wave. That would be pretty cool. Pretty cool. Yeah. So the way XLM is looking, you got this shape right here. You got, oh come on, A. This looks like it's a B, and then give me a C. Okay. Give me a C. So that flat that I drew in Bitcoin, I think is a real possibility here, but I'd like to see it come down and stop at the low first. Now, I don't know what's going to happen here. It might not. It might just roll up from where we are. It might just go on up here pretty quick, but I'd like to see it stop on the low quick and then roll its way up here for a nice ABC. That'd be sweet. That would give XLM. I'd give XLM that move, that 5th wave that I was looking at there. Give it a nice little move down. Let's check out ADA as well, just to see what ADA looks like. Wave structure idea. Okay. ADA is miserable. I'll tell you what, the wave structure in ADA is just absolutely miserable. All my charts, I didn't save them. All my charts are gone, guys. Rebooted my computer, didn't save my charts. Okay, guys, this is looking very 3 wave-ish. Is it done or is it heading up? Again, we're on a 4-hour candle. It's got 2 hours left on this. This is probably going to have some more downside to go. Let's look on the hourly. Yeah, the hourly doesn't look finished, guys. The hourly just doesn't look finished. So this is probably got some more to go. It's probably going to trend to the downside here on the hourly chart. Doesn't mean it's going to go straight down. It just means that the hourly trend, the momentum is to the downside. So I'm waiting for the hourly to kind of show itself to the down. So. Okay, 4-hour chart on ADA. We're threatening to break some structure to the downside. We're threatening. Well, we're not breaking that structure there, but we're breaking this. We're threatening that one. So is this going to work its way down to this trend line? And continue down, or is this just going to boom and then is this going to work its way to this trend line and then bounce back up for the next wave? Okay, so as this goes up, this wave could just blow. Okay, we're ready. We've broken out, guys, and we're retesting the breakout pretty much. So I'm bullish. I am. I want to see these breakouts retest, and then let's go. Okay, then let's go. So let's see this thing finish retesting. Let's find some support here at 42 cents, 41 cents, something like that, and then let's go. Let's go long and let's see this thing get out of Dodge. This thing start getting some momentum to the upside, guys. I mean, this is looking fantastic. We got a nice impulse wave, 3-way pullback. Here we go. This is going again. Okay, so we're going to get a pullback and continuation. Okay, so looking for that pullback. little bit of a roller coaster down move, and then boom, up we go, and it's going to go up hard and big. So that's the way I'm looking at the market. There's your one wave, or the A wave. There's a B wave or a wave 2. Now we're in wave 3 and we're going. Okay, I mean it's moving. It's not giving us any major big pullbacks. I think the big pullbacks that we've been talking about, they just don't look as likely anymore. Okay, they just don't look as likely. Now, could they still happen? Yeah, the market makers can do some real shenanigans. They could bring the wave all the way down here, something really fast, and then bring it back up. Okay, so they can do that stuff. You got to know that. You got to know that they can do that stuff. But you know, I'm just more inclined right now to just, you know, they're going to pull it back and then go. Okay, watch this trend line. You know, watch that trend. Make sure, you know, if she breaks that to the downside, that's going to be a lot more bearish. Watch this trend right here in the 4 hour. If this breaks below this trend line, that's going to be a lot more bearish. But if it hits and then bounces, that's going to be a lot more bullish. So that's a good trend line to take long off of. If price comes down here on the RSI, if the RSI gets down here, wants to bounce here, that's a good potential long to take. Not telling you what to trade, just telling you how I think about trading. Okay. So I look at this wave, and that's a possible wave 4, and that's a possible wave 5 with a 1, and now a wave 2 to the downside. So I'm looking for 5 waves down. So I'd like to see this come something like this, make a lower low, maybe create some divergence in the 5-minute chart. Yeah, come on down, create some divergence, a lower low, and then start working its way. Let's break this structure, work its way back up. And I'd love to see, oh man, my mouse is jumping. I'd love to see that flat that I drew right here. I'd love to see this play. So if I could request the market makers, come on down, hit the low, and then shoot back up tonight. Okay, bullish, come take out this liquidity right here, and then come down, find some support, and then let's go. Bullish, let's go. And there's a 3-wave move right there. Boom, boom, boom. It's an idea. I can't tell you what's going to happen. Just offering wave structure ideas to you. That's what a lot of people don't understand about Elliott wave. We're not trying to predict the future. We're saying what could happen. Okay, and we're ready to see. We understand that there are key structures in the market, and we know what happens. We're not ignorant of the market's ways, and so we know that this is a flat. This is a structure that could very well play. It plays very often in the market. It's very, very common. Okay, so you know, it's definitely something that could happen. Is it going to happen? No, I can't say it's going to happen. It's just something that could happen. What else could happen? Well, I mean, we might already have our we got an A wave right here. There's B, and we're looking for C, and C is going to get real big. We got like a 1, 2. We're in the middle of 3, 4, and 5. We might just be coming straight down to with an ABC here, a 3-wave move, retest real fast. Okay, retest real fast, and then reject real fast. So that's another idea. That's a much more bearish look at it. Right now we're retesting this particular breakout right here, that breakout right there. Price has retested it. Let's come back to it. Is it going to roll over and come on down? Well, I believe it is. I believe it's going to hit the low again because it you know, it's got the shape on the small time frame. It's got the shape of a 3-wave move. Best I can tell, that's 3, 3, 5 right there. Boom. Looks like a 3, 3, 5. Is 5 finished? Maybe not. Maybe not. It might go test it again to the upside, but this certainly, man, my mouse is having a hard time, guys. This certainly does look like a wave 4 and then a wave 5 spike with a rejection, getting a pullback, and then another hit to the low, and just continue down 5 waves. Come break the low, then we get that big move to the upside. Maybe we've got so watch out for something like that, or this could just, you know, retest that breakout, roll over again, and just keep on rolling down. That big move that I'm talking about, that could be happening right here. So, in other words, that flat that I drew a bit ago. That could be being finished, and now we're on C to the upside. Okay, I don't think so. Based on the wave structure, I don't think that's the case, but I don't know. I don't know that's not the case, right? So yeah, 3 waves, boom, and then down we go. So we could be going up. We don't have to go hit the low again. We could hit the low again. We don't have to. We already hit pretty low. One might say we're finding support. Going to come out and take that liquidity. We got this lower liquidity done. Now we're going to come out and take this upper liquidity, and then we go down. So yeah. So those are my basic ideas tonight, guys. ADA, you know, like I said, ADA. Let's look at the small time frame for ADA. See what wave structure looks like. Man, it looks like a 3-wave move. I'd like to see that just dump. Looks like 3. Broke the low, got 3 up, 3 down, 5 up. Maybe up here a little bit more, and then down we go. For another wave, it doesn't mean we're going down forever. It just means we're going down for another wave. Now we could again have a major dump tonight, down to support, and then we get a big bullish move tomorrow. So I cannot predict small time frame movements. You know, I can give you ideas for what small time frame movements might happen, but I can't predict what they're going to be. So I can share some ideas, and you can watch to see which one of the ideas plays, and then you kind of know what to look for your trades or whatever. But anyway, how you guys doing in the live stream? 66 of you. Let's see. You guys are having a good conversation? I don't know if I can catch up with all of you guys. Yeah, I've already looked at Roni. I've already looked at XRP. If you rewind, you'll find the chart I looked at. XRP is looking, you know, again like all the other charts. I mean, this is looking like it needs a 3. There's a couple of ways I can see this. I can see this a couple ways. So I can see this come on up again one more time and then down. So watch out for that move right there. Boom, boom. Okay. Or I can see this roll over and come on down. So we're retesting right now this trend. Is this going to come back up one more time and then come down? Very likely. Very likely. Could do that. Could it just break down right here? Yes, it could. But I'm looking for a 3-wave move. Boom, boom, boom. And then up we go. Okay. So 3-wave move. Up we go on XRP. That's the way that wave looks to me. So that's what I would expect. Let's let that finish. Let's let that break this low. Give us a 1-to-1 extension or something. And then boom. Looking for another move to the upside. Excuse me. All right. Let's look at LTC. I haven't looked at LTC in a minute. Wow. LTC looks like trash. But that looked very good. We rolled over. Four-hour chart. Man, I tell you what, LTC is so trashy. LTC is absolute trash. Don't like it anymore. Boom. Oh man. 1 2 1 2. I don't know, guys. If this thing breaks this trend line, then down we go. Something like this. I don't like that, though. I really don't, man. It looks like LTC just needs to kind of boom and then go. Maybe down like that and then go. LTC looks bullish. Really, really bullish. Okay, watch that trend line right there. A break of that is going to give us a down move. Let's see, what could this be? Is that some kind of a diagonal? I mean, it's ugly as crap, but 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Is that a diagonal? I do not like that as a diagonal. I don't like it. My daughter, when she was 2, my older daughter, I don't like it. I don't like it. I don't like it. That's ugly. You see this move right here? See that move right there? Looks like that right there. Boom, and then up, boom, up. So up, boom, up. I see pumping coming. I see this as pumping. Doesn't mean it won't come down and then go. It's going to come down and then go. Okay, so I see pump action coming. That's what I see. That's what LTC looks like. Guys, market's bullish. I'm telling you, the market is bullish. This correction, I think it's going to be short-lived. I'm not looking for it to go down forever. Don't want that one. Wave rider, that's right. Sin is ugly, and it's ugly as sin. Yeah, I mean, guys, I see the market generally up, so let that be clear. But I've been looking for a liquidity hunt, okay, and so I've been looking for a liquidity hunt. Is this the beginning of that liquidity hunt? This could go down deep, right? 25.5 is the deepest I want to see it go, okay. But I'm not on that bandwagon. I think 29K is much better. Is probably going to be our support around 29K, but. She could pump from 29K on up, or we could go down here to 25.5 or 25,000, excuse me, and then go up. And so that would be a real scary liquidity hunt for the market to do something like that. I think that would be super, super scary, but still possible. I really like my flat, guys. I do. I like my flat. So if we get the flat that I've drawn here, if we get another low here, breaks the low, it might reject and then go up really fast, or somewhat fast, and then slow down overnight. It'll come down, hit, and then just come, and then slow down overnight, work its way, and then finish the wave, and then dump tomorrow. I like that move, guys. I do. I like the way it looks on the chart. And then we watch it here. We watch it come down to here, and we pay attention. We see if it bounces, which it probably will. It could bounce and then roll over and come down here and roll over, come down to 25K, and then we go to the moon. It rebounds so fast and so quick, and it goes up and it keeps going. In the period of a week or two, and then by June, we're at 40K. Now, it doesn't have to do that. Doesn't have to come this low. Could come here and just go up, okay? The market can do that too. So I'm not sure if they're going to come get this liquidity or not and find support. I don't know if they're going to do that or not. There's a bunch of liquidity down here. But a lot of long stops. Or do they just keep pumping it? Excuse me. Woo. Getting the yawns. All right, what are you doing here? You got three-wave shape there. You got the obligatory pump. Got the obligatory pump. Is it going to keep rocking? I don't think so. I think it's going to roll over and go down. But I don't know. We'll see. Because this just looks too much like three waves. A little extended. Yeah, it's a little extended. Got right to the 2618. Came and tagged it. And then just rejected. Boom. Okay, stop yawning, guys. Oh, man. All right. With that said, I think I presented everything I want to present. All my ideas are there, guys. So I'm ultimately bullish. Think we're going up. I don't know where this stop hunt's going to take us. I don't know where this liquidity hunt's going to take us, but I'm looking to find it to stop there. Okay. Yeah, CME gaps, Mr. Eureka, Block Eureka, what's up? Yeah, I mean, you know, the market doesn't, I mean, the market often fills gaps. And that's not because the market has some obligation to go fill a gap, okay? There's no obligation of the market to fill any gap. Market gaps get filled primarily, okay, because the market goes up and down and it retraces, and you know, just by the sincere movement of the waves, they get filled. So don't think that there's some compulsory obligation of the market to go fill gaps. They can. They often do. We notice that. Often they'll come and fill the gap and then they'll reverse. And so those gaps are around key levels a lot of times, right? Hey, love you too, man, BG. And yeah, we got some, you know, we're bearish tonight, but I think, you know, I think we go up. We'll see though. So yeah, just know that about gaps, CME and anything. Gaps can be filled, but they don't have to be filled. Okay? Market goes where the liquidity is. Okay, those excuse me. So the liquidity, we've taken out this lower liquidity. Okay. There's a chance if we come back up here, we're going to come take this upper liquidity out, and then we're going to come down. I don't mind looking at a couple charts, but I don't want to go forever. So yeah, if you guys have some charts you want me to look at, let me know. I'll look at a couple. Please, no junk coins, guys. I really don't want to look at a bunch of crap coins because there's not enough data, and Elliott doesn't work super well. You know, they're gonna. And by the way, those crap coins they're gonna pump, and then they're gonna dump. You know, they're gonna do exactly what Bitcoin does generally. So you know, Bitcoin's on its way up. I think the market's gonna be pumping, and then market's going to dump again. So, you know, just watch out around just watch out. Just understand market's going to pump and dump along the way. Let's look at KDA real fast. That's Bittrex tag. What about Binance? There we go. Yeah, I mean, if I had to guess, looking at this wave structure right here on KDA, this is ready to go up. It's ready to go up to the next level. That's what my mind sees right now. That's what I see. It looks up. The next move is there. Something like that. This could come down. You know, whatever. But looks like trending to the upside. I mean, could this be 3 waves and now it's coming down? I mean, I guess it could, but it's going to 0 then, you know. Yeah, but there's no wave structure here that's going to help you out. Now, if you'll look at this wave structure, you know, this was, you know, kind of had that move there and then dumped. I mean, so, you know, watch out. There's liquidity right here. They could dump, take the liquidity, and then pump back up. So that could be 3, and then 5. So watch out for a dump and then a pump. Possible as well. But if Bitcoin starts pumping, you know, this is going to start pumping, okay? And you're looking for something up to here. Something up to here. And you could even go higher, but I don't want to get you too FOMO-y. Plenty of room right here. We're trending. I would say here's your trend line on your daily. If KDA crosses that trend line to the downside, then you're bearish. Okay, you're bearish. Trend will be down. If it crosses that line right there. So draw that line on your daily. That'll be your stop. Okay, when momentum crosses that, then you know you're not happy. When it closes beyond it, you're not excited. You're not bullish anymore. If it comes back to it and then bounces on the daily, then you're bullish. So as long as we stay above that trend line, we're happy. Okay. So that's what I'd be watching. Let's see, Plug Power. Let's check out Plug Power stock here because I like doing stocks. I'm bullish on the S&P, bro. So Plug Power. Did I spell it right? So I'm not seeing Plug Power anywhere, buddy. Oh, there it is. I found it. Found it. I mean, Merle. It's nothing I would buy. I mean, if you look at previous price action, okay, pump, boom. I mean, I suppose you could see something like this. Could do that. We're gonna go sideways forever, and then go again. Dude, I'm only guessing. Weekly chart, man. I guess Merle, I'll tell you what, man. Draw that trend line on your daily. Right there. Draw that trend line right there. You get a cross of that on the daily, that's a buy signal. Go ahead and buy it for a small move to the upside. Why not? Two-week chart. All right, so 2 weeks. 2-week chart's giving you a nice trend here. Nice trend on the RSI. It's still negative right now. If it breaks back up above that line right there on the 2-week chart, then again we're buying that. We're looking long. This doesn't look ready yet, but we're coming down to support though. We're coming down to support. Now real support is right here, down here at these waves. $8. You get back down to $8. That's probably a buy zone, man. It's probably a buy zone down there at $8. Best I got for plug power. Yeah, I've already looked at DXY. DXY is down here. There you go. Take a peek. Take a screenshot. Pause the video. Do whatever you got to do. I'm looking at 5 waves down. Looking for 94, 96. 94 to 96 range for price action on DXY. Wave Rider, got KDA, got you. CPI for... I don't know what CPI is. Is that... crypto price index? Is that what you want me to look at? Is that what CPI is? Let me know on that. DraftKings, hasta la vista, baby. Yeah, let's do DraftKings. I used to like to chart that. That's a nice... well, is that DraftKings or is that something else? Hasta la vista, Barbie. Yeah, there it is. Yeah, this went up nicely in such a nice impulse wave when it went up. Came back in 3 waves. It's reversing. I think it's a buy. It could go lower, but more than likely that's an A, B, and a C. Looks like you got a 5th wave. It's truncated of C. So yeah, this is looking bullish. I think this zone anywhere between, I think a price of price now to $12 is good. It's looking like you're gonna have a 3 wave and then it's gonna work its way up. I think up is the direction for a bit now, I would guess. You see here on the daily, it's broken out. It's broken out, retested, and continuation. So it's a buy to me right now. I'd buy that if I were trading in on the small time frame. That's a buy. That's a buy for me. Yeah, pocket plug power, buddy. Short it to the ground. Yeah, I can look at Solana for you. There's DraftKings. Yeah, you said CPI earlier. You didn't say ICP. It was CPI, but you want ICP. Okay. I've already done a couple for you, Blocker Eureka. I'm gonna get somebody else, some other guys here in the game. Solana. There it is. Solana. Yeah, so we're on the verge of a breakout here. There's 2 things that can happen here, so I'm not sure. You could have an A. There's a B wave looking for a C wave. Okay. So that would be a very, very deep C wave right there. So that's very deep. Okay, so you can count this as 1, 2. There's 3, 4, and 5 right there. So that's one way to look at that. So there's 5 waves right there. We need a deep third wave retrace. Is that possible? Yeah, that's really possible. Is that going to happen? I'm not here to say that. It's because you got another. Here's another look. You could have 1, 2, 3, 4, and then 5 right there, and this could be an A, B, and a C. And that now it's done, and now we're working on the third wave, where, 1, 2, let's go, 3, 4, 5. So any, oh come on. Any pullback that you get is just going to be short-lived. The breakouts and go, okay? So this could be a 1 and a 2, and here we go, okay? So it just depends. So how do you know which one is which? Well, I mean, there's no easy way, right? But I think on the 3-day chart you can have a stop loss, right, like this. Stay bullish. We've broken out on the 3-day, okay, to the upside. We've broken out of the trend to the upside on the 3-day. So it could retest and then continue on, but a break of this structure back down to the downside. So if the 3-day chart breaks that trend line right there, there's your stop loss. You're more bearish. You're going to let this wave finish to the downside before you go long again. Okay, so that's the way I'd look at that on Solana. So there's a bear count, there's a bull count, but that could be a 1, 2, and then here we go. Oh, Wave Rider, thank you, man. I really appreciate that. And what did you? Appreciate that so much. That's very kind. What's Wednesday, IWO? What's Wednesday? Yeah, Blair, I did Casper for somebody in my group here the other day. I can do Casper real quick. I mean, what chart are we looking at? I don't know what chart to look at it on. How about KuCoin? Boom. Daily chart. I mean, super overbought. Definitely need a correction on the 6-hour. So yeah, definitely need a correction on the 6-hour. We need to retest our breakout. So I'm looking at price as Bitcoin comes back down. Let's see it come back down in 3 waves here. Maybe down to here. So maybe we're going to retest that breakout and then go. So yeah, I would be bearish until that finds support here. And then we go again. Okay. So I would, unless this wants to go again straight up. But man, 6-hour looks so overbought. It's unreal. Looks like we've broken structure on the 4-hour. 4 hours broken. Okay. So I would expect a little bit of a retest. Just to guess here. I would expect a little bit of a wave and then another move. Retest the breakout and then go. 3-wave pullback. There we go. Same as we're looking at all the charts, guys. Same ideas we're looking at all the charts. But again, BTC, guys, my favorite idea that I've shared is that flat idea. Okay. So, what is that flat idea I shared? I mean, this is my favorite idea. Where you have 3 up, that's 3 down. Now we go 3 up. So we're gonna go hit the low one more time, just to be fake out the low, get everybody super. Oh, here we go. We're gonna break out. We're gonna break down, go to the next level, and then boom, it just shoots up, takes out liquidity up here, and then tomorrow we dump. Boom. After this flat plays. I think that's a real. I like that idea. Whether it's gonna play or not, I don't know. But we are pretty oversold here on the 30-minute, 1 hour, 15-minute. Give me some divergence here, baby. Give me some divergence down here. That'd be awesome. Awesome. There we go. All right, I missed some. Chemo, if you could, I don't know if you can help me. If I missed anybody. If I missed you in the list and I missed something, let me know. I did Solana. Rohit, did you see my analysis there on Solana? Let me know. I did Casper for Blair. Okay, anti-BK. Jim, is there any way wave 1 of 3 on BTC is not even over yet? No, I don't think so. I think 1's done. 1 of 3 is done. Clips on Wednesday will drop BTC possibly lower than 25K. I'm not sure about that, but maybe we get a pullback for sure. HBAR and Link, yes, those are some of the ones we talked about. HBAR and Link, yes. I'm kind of losing my voice, guys. Let's look at HBAR quick. And Dave, I'll look at BNB for you as well. Okay. Man. So interesting. HBAR looks interesting. HBAR doesn't look finished to the upside, right? It just doesn't give me the sense that it needed to come up here before down, it would seem. Could roll over, take that low, and then go on up. Yeah, actually, that plays okay. And so boom, 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 and that becomes 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2. Maybe this goes. Maybe it pumps after that. Maybe it pumps. Or this is wave A, and now this is a three wave B, and then we come down for C. Let me zoom out here just a little bit. Okay, what are you doing, HBAR? 2, 3. I got 5 up, 3 down. Okay, this looks like 3 up, but okay, there's 2 things this could be. That looks like 3 waves, yeah? And so you're expecting this. It's a real possibility. HBAR could do that, right? It's a real possibility. Watch this trend line right there, okay? Watch that trend line right there. Okay, we break this structure, then we're probably going down, okay? Down here. If we break this to the downside. So watch that. However, this could be a 1, 2, 1, 2, and now we're just getting ready to go. We're getting ready to go, guys, and HBAR is just going to rock to the upside. Just boom. 3, 4, 5, 4, 5, and up. Daily chart. Daily has a really nice trend you can watch, guys. Daily. Okay, you get a break of that trend, break of that to the downside on the daily. You could argue you already have that break and it's pulling back. So, yeah, if this breaks back into here, that's bullish. If it breaks down, that's bearish, obviously. So, watch this trend line right here on the daily. That's a nice trend line for HBAR. So this could be the pullback, and that's done. And now 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 4, 5. This could be very bullish. That could be a 1, 2, and getting ready to make 3, 4, and 5. And that's going to get us way up here to this area again, which is where we need to get to. That's what I think needs to happen. And then you can have some kind of W, X, Y. HBAR might die, though. HBAR may die. We'll see. We will see. That's the bullish look at it. This could be a 1-2, 1-2 right in here, and this is going. Okay, what else what else were they? I already got Solana, Algo there. Oh, that's right, Algo, and then Link. That was another one too. BNB. Let me do BNB for Dave. Oh man, what's this doing, Dave? Daily chart. One, 2, 3, 4, 5. We got a 3-way pullback. Dave, I think any pullbacks are gonna be small. It's just going. It's just going, man. I think we got a 1, 2. I think here we go. I mean, we're going. We're looking long. But that doesn't mean we're not going to get this little wave right here first. Yeah, it's looking really, really bullish, buddy. 4 hour though needs a break here. Just kind of give me a little bit of a pullback here, and then let's go. Let's reset here and go again. But man, the way that's looking, it's looking awful bullish. You got a 1, 2, and here we go again. That's the way it looks to me, man. Look at the very tiny, small time frames to what this is doing here. Oh, man. Ugh. What's that doing? What is that? It still could be. Not sure what that's doing, guys. I mean, it looks kind of impulsive, right? Looks like it's impulsing. It could just be 3 waves. And then we come down for wave 3, 4, and 5. Like that. Let's see if that's a 3-way move, or is that a 1, 2 to the upside? And now we're getting ready to go bullishly. And maybe that flat that I told you guys is going to play. So they're going to hit the low, or they're going to go. That's hard to say. Hard to say. All I know is that this looks like 3 waves that hit the low. So I was expecting another low. So I'm really, expecting. Something like that, and then a move to the upside. Something to come down quick, and then. But this is coming up awful fast, so it's bothering me a little bit. I wanted to take a long, but I just didn't like the wave structure, so I wanted to see one more low, one more hit to the low. May still get it. 5 minute give us some. We do have a break of structure on the 5 minute though. Got a break, retest, and a continuation kind of move right there, but I'd like to see it roll over. Give me the divergence I like to see. Give me another low and give me divergence. Okay, I'm going to take a few more charts here and we'll call it a night. Link, sure. Let's look at Link. Hey, J Mart, thank you for that. Yeah, I'll look at Jasmine right next. Right after Link. Okay, we didn't get that stop hunt down, but we did get the upward move here. So we are Link sucks. I'll just be honest with you guys. Link really sucks. But looking at this, we need some. See, I would think that we have a breakout here. We need a retest and a continue. Looks like the entire market needs to retest something and then continue on. So, no longer we had this breakout right there. Boom. Let's see the RSI come down here, retest, and then go up. Then come down, down. So I think there's a big wave coming, guys. But I'm waiting for this thing to finish correcting first. So again, watch out for this upward move and then a short. That's a play. Or watch out for this just to roll over. Come back, roll over. Come back, roll over. 25K. All right, what are you doing on a minuscule time frame here? Yeah, it's hard to say what this is doing here. Is that a three-way move? That's going to roll over. It looks like it's wanting to go up, but let's see what happens right here. Small time frame. It's oscillated up to overbought here in the 1 minute. There's room to go up, but it's kind of oscillated. Five minute got back to the 50. Couple more charts, Jasmine. Let's look at that. Johnny, sorry about that, man. Hey, Josh Hernandez, what's up, buddy? Good to see you. Good to see you, man. Jasmine. Let's look at Jasmine. Oh, man. I mean, all the charts are the same, guys. All the charts are the same. Let's see here. Yeah, we're getting pretty overbought here, and it's looking like it's correcting, and it's broken structure on the 12-hour with divergence. So for me, that's a short potentially. So if this breaks the high one more time, then comes down, that's good, or it could just pull back a little bit and come down. So yeah, the 12 hours looking kind of bearish for now on Jasmine. So in other words, we could just get a three-wave correction. And then more to go. So that three-wave correction will satisfy the bearish divergence. And then more to go. What are you doing? Just looking to see what this thing's going to do here. Looks like it needs to roll over. Okay, what else here? So yeah, Jasmine, back to Jasmine, sorry. Yeah, the 12 hours looking kind of bearish, I'll be honest with you. 4 hours looking like it's breaking to the downside here, so. See, it's broken, retested, it's kind of coming back down. So it looks like in the 4 hour, the trend is down for now. Until the 4 hour gets oversold here and then has a chance to recover back to the upside. So maybe 3 waves down. Maybe 3 waves down, something like that. Maybe we get another up move and then another down move. Okay. Hope that helps with Jasmine. Let me know if you need to know any other information there, J-Mart. My pleasure, buddy. Thanks for the tip. I appreciate it. Just let me know if you need anything else. Let's see. NIO, Algo, Atom. Atom. Guys, all these things are looking the same. But I'll tell you, these charts, Jasmine and Cosmo, look a little bearish here, like they're breaking. So this is definitely looking bearish here to the downside right now. Four-hour charts pointing down for Jasmine and Atom. I don't know how deep it's going to go. Got a larger trend right here. So it may just come down to that trend line right there. And then want to go up again. Oh, what is that trash? What is that trash? Is that a 1-2? Coinbase has been trashy with these wicks, man. Trashy, because we're not getting the same wicks on the other charts. Yeah, we didn't get the same wick on Bybit. That's a trashy little wick, man. My neck is killing me, guys. About to wrap it up here, guys. I'm getting pretty tired. Let me take a peek at, what is it? Algo. Algo. Yeah, it looks more more bullish, but it's a bit of a break to the downside right here, but it looks like it might want to round back up. It's a tough little area. We've broken. So is this going to come on down? There's 3 right there. Is this going to come down? Boom, boom, boom. Or is it just going to come down a bit and then go again? Three-way pullback. I mean, ultimately, I think we're going up. So any pullback's going to be short-lived. I think a big move up is coming, guys. I do. But I'm looking for a correction down first. I don't think this is done. What BTC is doing, I don't think she's done. That's crazy. Surprised at this move. I'm not surprised to get a pump though here. I just was hoping to get the wave structure was looking 3-wave-ish. See, this looks really 3-wave-ish to me. So if this goes up from here, I'd be surprised. I mean, it's kind of surprising to me. But, you know, market doesn't have to keep Elliott. It can do whatever it wants to do. But that looks like 3. So come on down. Tired, y'all. Very, very tired. I think I'm going to call it a night here shortly. Guess I think I've looked at most of the requests you guys have given me. I'll be just again to reiterate, I'm very bullish on the markets. I think any pullback that we get is going to be short-lived. I don't think we're going to go deep anywhere. If we do go deep, 25.5 is where I'm looking for support. But 29K is my first order, first line of support, and then after that, again. Small, just to reiterate, small time frame ideas. Watch out for this move here. where we have this flat right here and then down. So we may get a pump up to here tonight. That may be where we're going from now. We may pump up and then come down. I was hoping to tag the low first, but evidently this is looking. Yeah, it's looking. I don't think it's going to tag the low at this point. Well, another count. There's another count here. Come on. Excuse me. Stupid chart. Sorry. Another count is that we just retest that breakout right there. And then we come back down again. So impossible to know small time frame stuff. Just depends on where the traders are taking their trades and where the liquidity is. But again, my favorite count is the flat where it comes up here and then come down for another wave. Bounce is going to be short-lived, guys, so be careful. Guys, I'm going to call it a night. I'm going to retire. I'm exhausted. I'm feeling pretty tired. I want to focus on my trading as well. So anyway, you guys have a fantastic night. Want to be part of the live streams that we do in the Discord? Come on in. Love to have you guys. We do 2 live streams a day. Looking at the market all the time. Wave setups. Good community of people. Hey, if you're not in there, you're missing out. So anyway. All right, guys. Y'all have a fantastic evening, and we'll talk.